Then, through the blessing of the Buddha, the elder Shariputra asked Arya Avalokiteshvara, how should one of noble lineage train who wishes to practice the profound perfection of wisdom? The Arya Avalokiteshvara, the Bodhisattva Mahasattva, replied to the elder Shariputra, Shariputra, those of noble lineage who wish to practice the profound perfection of wisdom should correctly view the five aggregates as empty of inherent existence. Form is empty. Emptiness is also form. Emptiness is not other than form. Form is not other than emptiness. In the same way, feeling, perception, mental formations, and consciousness are empty.